Okay, hello guys. In this video we want to continue from where we ended in our last video concerning GPS tracking. So in this video I want to teach you how you can monitor your vehicle wherever it is. So after you have followed my first lesson and second lesson concerning how to use GPS, so the next thing is now how you can locate your device and how you can track your device. So let's go and check our device. So here I'm using one-way GPS tracker, and looking on my desktop, this is the app here. So we are going to log in. If you don't have the app, I will direct you where you can download the app. So this is oneway.gps.com. So here, this is my account, and I want to find some device to track some device. So here, this is my account, and looking here, you can see this vehicle, the location of this vehicle. So here I have so many GPS that have not been activated. So the one that I've activated them, these are them here. So let's click on this one. So this vehicle, you can see this is the vehicle here. The vehicle is in Bafusa. So if you want to look at it better more, you can go to Google Satellite Map. Then it will open to see the satellite view. So let's zoom in and see what is happening. So looking at the device here, you can see the position. This is the vehicle in this area. So this is the vehicle. You can see the vehicle, the location of the vehicle, and that is how we do. So the next thing, you can just zoom. My connection is a little bit slower, so you can zoom in and see the location of your vehicle. So this is how we want to monitor our device. So let's go to the next one and go and check. So I have on this Namfa motorcycle. This is a Namfa motorcycle. This is it located here. So let's go. You can see when you see this thing in blue shows that it is connected on satellite. That is connected. So you can relocate it. This is the vehicle here. You can see the battery. You can see that the vehicle is off. The Namfa motorcycle is off. GPS, you can see this is the location here. You look it here. It's in the top Amenda 2 Club Northwest region. This is in Cameroon. So this is the location of my GPS. So the next thing I would like us to look at, we have here, we have what we call playback. We have what we call playback. We just want to go to playback and see how the playback worked. So this is, we are going to playback, and what we are going to do here, we have to select, we can select the time and start to play. So let's take start. So these are some of the movement that I have made throughout this time. So you can see all the movement, all the transaction that I did some past days ago. So this is my movement, the places I've gone throughout the week. So you can just see it there. And let me go to the map view of it to see. This is the transaction. All this in blue, in green, they are the places that I've went through, and you can see it's still tracking, showing you everything that happens here. So here you can just come here and select you can just come here and select you can come here and select a day or a day before, or anything you want. You can just come here and you select the time when you want to track or you want to see the playback. So that is that for now, to see your playback. So I just want us to go back and see another thing, that it was the playback concerning this one. So this one is now tracking. If you really want to know the location, you can track in. So this is track in. You can just go to satellite, Google satellite map, and you track in and see the location of your vehicle. You just zoom in to the map, you use the hand tool, and you zoom in. You see the location. See where this is here. You can zoom in. You follow all this location. You know where your vehicle is situated. So I just want us to go to another thing, to another account. So yeah, this is my account, and yeah, let me go to my customers and see what is happening. So yeah, these are my people with the sub account, the people that are being connected to my GPS account. So if I want to check this other person, I'll come and click on his name, and it will give me the detail of this person. And if I want to check the person location, I'll just come here. I'll come here and take track, and I'll track the person to see the location. This person is in Bafusam. This person is in Bafusam. So let me go to satellite, and I can see the location of this person. This person is here in Bafusam, and the engine is off. There is 1 hour ago. So this is the place where the person is, and if you want to locate the person, this is where the person has parked. So let's go to another account and check. So let's go to this one and check. And in this account, I have this person has 6 devices. There is 6 vehicles connected into the account. We have 4 which are online, then we have 2 which are offline. So we have offline, then we have online. So 2 are offline. So let's go and check which device is offline and which one is online. So let's go to this first person here. The name is Brian. Let's go and check his location. Brian. This is Brian. This is location is in Douala. This one you can see. This one shows that the person is offline. The person is not connected. Maybe the GPS may be off, so the vehicle or the battery of the vehicle have been removed. So for you to check what is happening with the device, why is the device like this, you can come here and you read what is written there. So the first thing you need to do is to call the device to see if the device is ringing. The second thing, confirm with the SMS card carrier if the card has GPRS data if the SIM card is having data connection. So you just have to check to see if that is the problem. So you just have to call the device which you have installed, the number of the device, the number of the SIM card you have put into this device. You just have to make sure you call to see if it is ringing. In order to check if it is ringing, then you know that the problem now will be but data. You just have to activate data to the vehicle. So the next thing, let's go into another vehicle and check the direction. So that was Brian. So let's go to, I have this one here, Boris. I just want us to check his location. Boris, there is Boris. Let's look where Boris is. Boris is here. Boris is here. There is Northwest Region Head Office, Commercial Avenue, Tamolong, Bamenda. So this one is still, there is the location. You can go to satellite view to see its location. You see its location. Yes, you can see its location right here. You can see his location. This is location here. 6 minutes ago, he's just here. So if you go to this place now, you just have to go and meet him. So he's online. So let's go to another device, another person. That was Boris. Let's go to this other person and check his location. So this is how you have to do. Let's go to this other person and check his location. And it shows that this other person is offline. This person is offline for now. So you still have to do the same thing. 1 day ago is offline, 1 day ago. So let's check. So this person is offline ago. So if you can call the device to check what is wrong with the device. So let's go to another person and check. We have this person here, chairman. Let's go and check this other person. Okay, looking at this other person here, this is his location. This person, this is location Bunda, Bamenda. So this is the person is on location. So you can also see this person location. This is the person, this is the location here. You can see the person and you can track the person. So this is where the person is being parked at this time, and we can see that the engine is off, means that it is parked or we are stopped somewhere. So that is how we have to monitor our devices using GPS tracker. So in the next video, I just want, if the person was moving, you see this vehicle here will turn into green, and you'll see how the person will be moving. So I will just show you a picture of how when your vehicle is moving, you will see. So I just want you to stay tuned and see what is happening in the next scene that is coming after this. In this same video, I will show you how you will see how some of your car is moving and how you can track it and follow it if the car is moving. So all these vehicles we have seen today, they are all standard, they are at the same position, they are not moving. So in the next video or the next thing, if the video would be, if the car was moving, you have seen the vehicle will turn into green and you will see the movement. So this one means that the car is parked. Blue means that the car is parked. Gray, it means that the car is offline, and green means that the car is moving. So that is how we can monitor our devices using our GPS connection. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, I would like you to make me know, and I would like to answer most of your questions. So that was the video, and in my next video I'm going to teach you in my next video I will teach you how you can track using your mobile phone. So this one is tracking using your PC. So in the next video I will teach you how to install the app on your Android phone or on your smartphone. So thank you guys for watching. I would love to see you in the next video. Subscribe, share and like the video if it really helped you. So thank you guys for joining this video for today. I love you. See you in the next video.